Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday. Today we are doing our third video on this watch. This is the Citizen Eco Drive, Tomato, however you want to say it. Today we're going to be working with alarm. In a previous video I showed how we fixed this watch. The one before, or the one after that, we did a setting the time. And now we're going to do using the alarm function. If you remember in the previous videos I referenced what I call an abbreviated manual. And we're going to be referencing that to set the alarm. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure the crown's in position 0, which is all the way in. If you remember, this crown had 3 positions. All the way in, 0, 1, 1 out, 2, and 2 out. So there's the 0, 1, 2 are the positions. We're going to rotate the crown when it's in down to this alarm section. So we can go up, 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 and we're at alarm, ALM, you can see, and then we're going to see our hands move to where it is currently set. Now you're going to want to pay attention to the 24-hour dial right here. Let me get something to point with. You're going to want to pay attention to the 24-hour dial because that's going to tell you whether your alarm is set on AM or PM. So let's give this a minute to catch up, and then we'll go ahead and set that alarm. So right now it looks like the alarm is set to midnight, which we don't want to do. So now we're going to do just like we did when we set the time. We are going to pull the crown out to position 2, which is all the way out, and then we're going to rotate, because I want to set it, let's say we want to set it to 6 a.m. right? So we'll need to watch our 24-hour dial here. So let's give it a spin, that fast spin, which is working out much better for me on this video. And we're going to let that rotate around to where we're at 6 a.m. And FYI, when you're setting these, the alarm can only be set on your normal time, not your local time. So keep that in mind when you're setting your alarm. Alright, we're at 4 a.m. Now we're at 5 a.m. So when we get a little closer to 6, we'll swing the crown to stop it. Okay, so now we can spin it normally. Oh. Okay, there we are at 6 a.m. So now we're going to go ahead and push our crown back into the 0 position. And then we want to set the alarm. To make it go off, we're going to press the A button. And that should set our alarm. Okay guys, when you're in alarm mode and you want to turn the alarm on and off, I think you pull the crown all the way out and you press the upper button, and that will turn it on or off. Now it's going to be really hard for you to see, but there's an off right there. So if I press it again, the A button, I guess the upper button, now it's on. So now you can reset your crown back to the original position, go back to time, and you will be all set with your alarm. Now, there's also a sound check you can do on these alarms. Unfortunately, on my watch, for some odd reason, my beep is not working, so I can't check mine. But if you're in normal mode with your crown all the way in and you go back to the alarm, and sorry, I changed it to 8 a.m. off camera, so it would have shorter route to run around. But if you hold this upper left button in, the A button, and you have to hold it for a minute or a little while, and it should start emitting that 15-second beep. My beeper is broken, so it won't do it. And then to turn it off, you hold both of these at the same time. So that's all there is to the alarm. If you have something differently on yours, let me know. I've checked several manuals on this, the abbreviated manual for this E812 movement and the full manual, and it's all pretty much the same, but that's all there is to it.